let's look at making some easy and delicious red velvet churros. Originating from Spain and Portugal, these are now enjoyed around the world. We are going to be making a red velvet version filled with yummy cream cheese that requires only 5 ingredients. These delicious churros will melt in your mouth, so get your aprons out and join Cooking Company as we take you on a step-by-step guide. Now all you need is some water, some sugar, some butter. Now we heat that on a low to medium heat, mix it together, and then we add our all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and of course, red food colouring. Now we keep stirring it while it's sizzling away on the pan until it becomes a dough-like texture. Next, it's time to add the eggs. 2 eggs will suffice, and we give that a lovely whisk. Let's get our piping bag out. So we've put our mixture into a piping bag with a nozzle on the end which has a serrated edge, and we just pipe away till we've got our tray filled with churros. Then we're going to freeze that for 1 hour, then take them out and deep fry them. Lovely. Now it's time to add our cream cheese filling. So we'll poke a hole all the way through the middle, and with another piping bag we're going to just squeeze in and fill each one all the way through. Now comes the fun part. We're going to melt some chocolate. We've used white chocolate and dark chocolate here. You can use any chocolate you like. You can even dip it in caramel, coat it in cinnamon sugar like they do in Mexico, whatever takes your fancy. These are best enjoyed fresh. However, you can freeze them for a lasting treat. Absolutely gorgeous.